Arun or
Yeah,
John?
live now.
Okay. Sir, before getting into that, we have welcome address.
Sir, yes, yes. Sir, kindly stop sharing your screen for a few minutes. We have an inaugural section. Then you may proceed with your slides, please, sir.
Okay, to start on.
Yes, you may start exactly.
It's an absolute pleasure in welcoming everyone to the webinar event conducted by the Students Transport Forum of BSc Computer Science Department, DG Vaishnav College. This is Satish, the President of Students Transport Forum. On this good evening of Thursday, we have our research person, Mr. Muthu Kumar, working as technical support in AWS at TCS to deliver a webinar on cloud computing in AWS. Beyond your busy schedule, thanks for accepting our invitation in regard and turning up for the event. Now I request our head of the department, Ma'am A. Vijayalakshmi, to address the gathering.
Yes, Satish. Thank you. A very hail and healthy evening to one and all gathered here. On behalf of the Department of BSc Computer Science, first of all, I would like to welcome our respected principal, Captain Dr. S. Santosh Babu, sir, who has been here to preside this event. Welcome you, sir. And my sincere thanks to our resource person, Mr. Muthukumar from TCS, for his acceptance on delivering the topic on cloud computing in AWS. Thank you, sir. And may I now request our principal to share his valuable views about this session.
Very good evening to one and all present for today's seminar. The organizing secretary of this program, Dr. T.N. Aruna, and head of the department, Vijayalakshmi, the president and other members of the forum, and my dear students. First, I'd like to welcome the uh, speaker of today's program, Mr. Muthukumar, who is working in TCS, to spend few hours with us for sharing his knowledge on cloud computing, especially. We know very well that this cloud computing plays an important role in the present scenario. The cloud, wherever you go, you are in cloud. Whether you are in Facebook or whether you are in Instagram or whether you are using any ERP solutions, in all places, your data, your program, your software, everything will be cloud. Maintaining a single system by you in your house, you know how much difficult for retrieving a data or storing a data or preserving it. You have to take backups. Virus will come. You know, maintaining a standalone system itself is a very big problem for individual. Because I know that I was maintaining my database right from 2001 in various systems, not in 2001, right from 1995. Especially from 2005 onwards, I have laptops wherein I started my research. After that, guide sheet, then other works in the college. So if you find the present state, present system, I have a lot of data is to preserve. Initially, I used to preserve it in a floppy disk. Then I went to CD, where I have to do a backup in a CD and I'll be keeping it. Then I went to pen drives, an external hard disk. Now we can go for a cloud. So the cloud makes an important role for all the individual. How to maintain the cloud? Software as a service, database as a service, and you have to provide for which the separate programming, separate planning is needed. So this is one of the field in computer science is growing tremendously, and the need of cloud for storage is also increasing. So in one point of time, in each and everybody, they don't have processor at all. They will have only a small device with monitors and to do some key work we have to do. Everything will be done in a cloud and you'll be getting the result. This is going to happen, and most of the computer will be replaced with the small devices. You have a display device like TV. Even in a house, you have a TV where you can use lot of um, entertainment channels, entertainment sites through which you can download the movies and you are seeing. So after the existence of the cloud, the individual storage of the for the individual storage is going out of date. So with this introduction, I like to thank again the speaker for accepting, and also I like to congratulate the department. Even in the month of May, the Department of Computer Science is able to organize webinar. So for us, the students getting a knowledge, for the providing a knowledge to students is very important. Definitely, this forum will do at least, we do even in the holidays, at least they will do one seminar like this for the students in the month of May, June, July. So once again, I congratulate the department for conducting this program. Thank you.
Thank you much, sir, for your wonderful introduction. Now I request Mr. Satish, President of Students Forum, to carry forward. Yes, Satish.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now I request Kritika to address our resource person.
Thank you, Satish. Proceeding with, I would like to give a brief introduction about our resource person, Mr. J. Muthukumar, who is currently part of Public Cloud Center of Excellence team at Tata Service Consultancy Service. With him being well versed in AWS, he is also good at basic shell scripting and Python scripting for automation. He also has network and service experience in cloud-based networks. We are extremely delighted in having you join us this evening, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Kritika. So now you can take over your webinar, sir.
Yeah, hi. Thanks everyone. Thanks you for your excellent presentation to me. And I welcome everyone to this webinar on cloud computing. So we will discussing briefly. Before starting that, I thank everyone for the student community and teachers, especially Dr. Principal sir, for inviting me to take this webinar. So I will be always interactive. Okay. So instead of having this webinar, I want to have it as a discussion session. So what are the knowledge you have gained in your college? Please share with me. I will be sharing my industrial knowledge with you. Okay. So this is going to be a interactive session rather than giving the speech or anything. So it won't be get bored. If you எனக்கு தமிழ் தெரியும் ஓகே இப்போ உங்களுக்கு தமிழ் தெரியும்னா நீங்க தமிழ்லயும் என்கிட்ட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கலாம் ஸோ ஐ கேன் answer in Tamil also the technologies. Okay, so if you want to ask any questions in Tamil, you can ask me, or else I will take a session in English. Okay, so if you have any questions, please raise your hand, or else at the end of the session we can have the question session. Okay, this was my plan, and hope everyone want to gain some knowledge from this cloud computing platform, because industry has been continuously developed. So as mentioned, so he was using floppy disk. Very 20 everything more computing. So data everything has been increased now. Okay. So the business rapid transformations occurs when you get your hand dirty in this cloud computing technology. Definitely you are going to rule the world. Okay, I can say all the technologies are available. So I will try to show one demo on Google Cloud also. So I'm having the access, and AWS Cloud also. I will try to show the demo time permits. Before begin, I will share small presentation with you, and for helping out to understand what is meant by cloud computing and why we are saying as a cloud computing. Okay, so little bit understanding, and then if the basic is fine for everyone, so I will teach the basics of cloud computing. Then higher concepts you guys can put your effort to learn. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, let me know once you are able to see my screen. Yes. Is everyone able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So today we will be seeing about what is meant by AWS. So AWS is Amazon Web Services. Everyone know Amazon, right? It is an e-commerce platform. Likewise, Amazon Web Service is also provide the cloud computing platform. Okay. First, we will study what is meant by cloud computing. Then we will study about AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. These and all vendors. Okay. These and all vendors means these provide the cloud service support. Okay. So why we need AWS? What is the advantages of AWS? Features, practical explanations, certifications, future market, jobs, and queries and questions. Instead of AWS, put the word as cloud. Okay, what is meant by cloud? I will explain and why we need cloud. So we'll first see what is meant by cloud, then we will see the vendors. Vendors means it's a product. Okay, any product. You take an example. Okay, as a biscuits, many products are there, right? So in that way, the cloud computing is a platform. It is provided by different vendors. Vendors means they are providing Google Cloud. Google Cloud is owned by Google. Okay, so their parent company is Alphabet. Azure Cloud. Okay, Azure means Microsoft. Microsoft are having their own cloud computing platform called Azure. Both are same only, but different vendors. Okay. Then AWS. AWS is owned by Amazon. These are the market leaders in cloud computing. Okay. First, we'll see what's in the cloud computing. Then we will see. So I want to explain cloud computing means the cloud computing is the on-demand resource. So on-demand resource. Okay. So users able to provision the cloud computing resource without human interaction. Let's take an example. So everyone is having mobile phone, right? My handwriting will be bad. Bear with me, okay? Everyone is having mobile phones, right? Hope everyone connected through that. Answer me. Yes, okay. So everyone is having your laptop or desktop, right? Laptop or desktop. Yes, everyone will be having your laptop or desktop. What does mean by this? This is the devices, right? These and all we called as a device. Okay. In normal term. In computer term, what we call hardware, right? This is something like a hardware. Laptop and your desktop, everything is hardware. Okay, you are having your hardware resource now. So this hardware resource, how we are having? Physically it is available, right? Physically means you buy your laptop and it is available physically. Physically means you are owning that laptop as of now. When come to cloud, the data center, we called the cloud called as a data center. Okay, data center. Please make note of it. If you have your notebook, cloud data centers, put as a cloud data center topic and please make note of it. Anything, if you have a notepad, you can copy it in your laptop or anything. Data center. This data center has been outsourced. Outsourced means in Google, go and put data center. Okay. In Google, go and put data centers means you will be seeing your small, big images having some. Hello, am I audible, right? Yeah. So in data center, you will be seeing some hardware, okay, some servers and hardware. In your college also, you can see in your lab, okay, in your computer science lab, you can see one room will be there. In that, they will be having some servers and all there. Okay, some lights will be blinking. They will be always put on a AC mode. Have you seen it in college? Anyone? I think everyone will be having that. Yes, yes, right? Yes. So that is called as a data center. We will call in your college or school. It will be very small. In large scale, in companies like Amazon, Google Cloud, and everything, the data center will be very large. Data center will be very large means the physical hardware capacity is very large. In your college, it will be it is a small scale, only for some students, for 50 or 60 students, they are maintaining. If you go to the Google Cloud data center, computing capacity, storage capacity will be very high. It will be in petabytes or terabytes. Okay, even that they are having. So it is they will be having in the form of 2 to the power of n. This n can be anything. Storage value can be this n can be anything. If you put this n anything, it will be doubling, right? So storage capacity can be anything. Okay, so such large resource you are going to access, okay, from anywhere. So now you are sitting in Chennai, right? From Chennai also you can access the resource sitting in New York. Now the resource in North Virginia, New York, okay, everything in the where South American continent, okay. So in the eastern coast we are having. If you want to access the resource from Europe, you can access in Stockholm, Denmark. Okay, there the data center, everything is present. Okay, so from there you are going to create some resource, going to access. Okay, if you ask me in India, any data center is there? Yes, in India we are having the data center in Mumbai region, and Chennai region also we are having the data center. This Chennai data center is available all over the world. It is not only available to the people of customers of Chennai, we can say. Okay, we will in IT world we will see as a customers. Okay, client or customers, anything. Okay, so this data center is now accessible all over the world. See how you can access this data center becomes the cloud computing technologies has been rapidly innovating. Okay, so on demand self service, on demand. Okay, on demand means demand and price. Okay, so if you need a server of 4 GB within a minute, you can create. After some time, if you need a server of 8 GB, okay, see 8 GB or 9 GB, you can create. Okay, so on demand, whatever the capacity you need, you are having a mobile phone, right? You are having your mobile phone as a 4 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM. எல்லாரும் மொபைல் ஃபோன் வச்சிருக்கீங்க பாத்தீங்களா? ஆனா நீங்க வந்துட்டு ஒரு 4 GB 8 GB மொபைல் ஃபோன் வச்சுக்கோங்க, ஓகேங்களா? இப்போ நான் ஒரு அடுத்த ஒரு 1 மினிட்லயே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா எனக்கு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 48 GB கொண்ட ஒரு மொபைல் ஃபோன் வேணும். மார்க்கெட்ல இருக்கு, ஒரு 48 GB மொபைல் ஃபோன் வேணும் within a 1 minute. It is possible or not? It is not at all possible. Okay, physical hardware, you want to buy a new one within a 1 minute and all, it can't be bought. Okay, that's a problem here. But in just I'm telling as an example, don't take it seriously. This okay, just taking telling the example at layman's term. Okay, so if you need the capacity very high, within a minute you can get it. Now I'm running 4 GB of RAM. If I need in future some 256 GB of RAM alone, if I need 256 GB of RAM, capacity of servers. Okay, let's take a laptop. Now you are having 8 GB of laptop. Hardly you can increase the RAM by 16 GB. Okay, if I need 256 GB of laptop within a minute, you can't able to provision. But in cloud you can provision. Okay, within a minute the 256 GB of RAM will be available. That is called on demand. Demand கேத்த மாதிரி resource will be given. Okay, broad network access. So broad network access easily I have explained, right? So your data center in North Virginia or else in Ohio. So these are all South American continents. It will be available somewhere else. Okay, it will be available somewhere else in the world. You are able to access that data centers. That is called broad network access. Next comes resource pooling. Okay, so multiple customers. Your laptop is used by only one single user, right? Maximum your laptop will be used by your family members or friends or single users, but only single user can access your laptop. But if you take the servers in your computer lab, only 1 or 2 servers will be present in your computer lab, but it is shared, right? Shared across some 60 or 70 students, right? Everyone is sharing that physical data center. That is called resource pooling. Okay, the resource has been shared across the different users. Rapid elasticity. Okay, rapid elasticity I have already explained. If you need 256 GB of RAM within 1 minute, you can get. Okay, that is called rapid elasticity. So these and all some basic understanding of cloud. Anyone have any doubt? Please unmute yourself and ask the question. Yes, if anyone have any question, yourself and ask the question so that I can see next topic.
Only this is the problem in online. Dear students,
No doubt.
hearing it or not, I need 1 or 2 questions from your end.
Yes, sir, we are hearing it, sir.
Yes, then you are all very clear. Huh?
Yes, I will ask the questions at the end of the session. Okay. So yeah, guys. Okay. So next we will see the cloud computing definition. Okay, cloud computing definition. So this is the definition given by National Institute of Standard and Technology. Okay, they are giving the definition. So many institute like Hardware, Austin University, they will be having their own definition. Okay, in their model. So what they are saying means it is an on-demand network access with a shared pool of configuring servers or network or storage. Okay, so with a minimum management effort. Okay, so let's take an example. I'm giving an example to setting your computer lab. Okay, it will be the infrastructure, setting the infrastructure of your computer lab, servers and all. It will take hardly 30 days or 40 days. Okay, but in cloud, If you need some 80 or 90 students computer, I can give within a 1 minute from cloud. Within a 1 minute, you guys, everyone having the access to your computers. That is a desktop. Within a 1 minute, I can provision from cloud and I can give to you. See the difference here. Okay, setting the infrastructure is a very headache. They have to maintain the cooling, they have to maintain the power and everything. Okay, if anything goes down, the entire system is down. Everyone has faced this issue while in college, because I'm also in the college. During my college days, if any power shutdown occurs, all the servers will be down. Okay, generator will be started after some time. Yes, we will be having some shortage, but in cloud there is no shortage. All the resource will be available anytime. So I will give a typical example to you. Everyone is using Google Drive. Google Drive
Yes,
use
sir.
பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? Okay, so where they are provisioning the Google Drive means it is a storage service. 20 GB is free, right? In Google Drive, 20 GB is free in Google Drive.
15
That
or
is
20.
yeah, 15 or 20. 20 GB is maximum free, I think so. Okay, free service. So that Google Drive is a cloud service. Okay, if anyone doesn't use Google Drive, please use that. Anyone use spreadsheet? Excel. Anyone use Microsoft Excel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyone use Google spreadsheet in online? No, right? If you have your laptop, go to Google and put Google spreadsheet login. It will be automatically open one spreadsheet. What are the things you are doing in Microsoft Excel, you can do in the Google spreadsheet. Okay, let me show you. Anyone seen this spreadsheet like this?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yeah, what I'm asking is, நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா யாருன்னா இந்த ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஷீட்டா?
இல்ல சார், மைக்ரோசாஃப்ட் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
Okay, fine. So this is free. This spreadsheet is free. Okay, if you use your Microsoft spreadsheet, you need a laptop, right? You need a Microsoft license, right?
Yes, sir.
Laptop for accessing. Okay, do that. But you need a Microsoft license for using Excel. Free versions are available, guys. I totally agree. But you need it. See the spreadsheet, how easily it is available. What are the things you are doing in your Excel, you can do in a spreadsheet. Okay, so this is called software as a service. Okay, we are using spreadsheet. Okay, spreadsheet and workspace, and it is a PowerPoint. This will be Google Slides and PowerPoint. This will be Microsoft Word. Okay, in online itself, everything is free, guys. Here I'm not paying anything, it's free. In online itself, you can use this and all free resources which is provided from Google Cloud. Okay, to everyone. நீங்க தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஃப்ரீயாவே தராங்க, சரிங்களா? இதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணணும், எப்படி பிரசன்டேஷன் கொடுக்கணும்ன்றது நீங்க இதுலயே பார்க்கலாம். நீங்க ப்ராஜெக்ட் சென்டர்ஸ் போய் ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு நீங்க வீட்ல இருந்தே ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணலாம், சரிங்களா? ரிசோர்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஃப்ரீயாவே இருக்கு. எவ்வளவு ரிசோர்ஸ் நீங்க யூஸ் பண்றீங்களோ யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஓகேங்களா? Just giving an example. So where this resource and all provision means from online, from cloud only. This Google spreadsheet and everything, because they need a capacity, right? RAM, CPU, and everything. So everything has been given by cloud computing resource. Okay, public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, hybrid cloud. Okay, private cloud. First, we will see as a private cloud. In your college, there is a data center, right? There is a data center, right? There is one server room is there, right? That is called data center in small scale. That is called private cloud because your college student can only use. Am I right? That is private to your DG Vaishnav college students. Okay, that is called private cloud. Public cloud. Public cloud means it will be available to everyone. Okay, it will be available to everyone. So we call this as a public cloud. So AWS, Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud. Google Cloud is available to everyone. Okay, Microsoft Azure. These and all called as a public cloud. Now you understand difference between private and public. If it is available to a single institution or anything, it is called private. If it is available to the whole world, that is called public. Okay, you are having your bus stand, right? There is a public bus stand, we can say. Park, right? Public park, we can say. Okay, so which is available across all the citizens. Okay, here the resource and all everything available to everyone. don't confuse. You are creating some servers. Your servers can be hacked by some other person. Means it is not a possible one. I'm not telling you, your same server can be used by other person. Okay, it is highly secure. அதாவது நீங்க ஒரு சர்வர் கிரியேட் பண்றீங்க, அந்த சர்வரே வந்து இன்னொருத்தவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. சரிங்களா? ஜஸ்ட் ஐம் சேயிங் பிசிக்கல் ஹார்ட்வேர் இஸ் ஷேர்டு. ஓகே, எல்லாருக்குமே ஆக்சஸ் இருக்கு. உங்க காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு மட்டும் தான் பிரைவேட் கிளவுட்ல ஆக்சஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? உங்க காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் உங்க லேப்ல போயிட்டு ஆக்சஸ் பண்ண முடியும். But public cloud, anyone can access. In that way, I'm meaning. Okay. Then hybrid cloud, combination of this two. Combination of this two means combine the private and public cloud. That is called hybrid cloud. Got it? Okay. Combination of public and private. Okay. Someone will be having the database. Guys, first I will ask some questions. What is meant by database? Any idea? The question. If you have anything, you can put it on chat. What is meant by database? Okay. What is meant by server? Any idea? Collection of several data together, stored information. Okay. Yes, everything is correct. Okay. Server. What is meant by server then? This your final years or else second year students? Here. Yes. Server is a piece of computer hardware or software. Yes, you are correct. Okay. That's your final year students?
Second year students, sir.
Second year students. Okay, all right. Fine. So database server, yes, you are having to store something that is called database. Okay, so in server, it is a computer or else it is a laptop or anything. That is called as a server. When it is physically present, it is called laptop. When it is virtually present, that is called server. Got it? Virtual means you are not having the physical thing. Okay, I will create one server now in cloud, but I don't have, but I'm not having any physical resource. It is present in some other US or UK. From the UK data center, I'm able to create something. Okay, that is called server, mini piece of computer. Cloud computing service models. Okay, then we'll see cloud computing service model. First is called infrastructure as a service. So why we call this as an infrastructure as a service means, so who's providing this infrastructure as a service means Amazon, Rackspace. These and all vendors, guys. Okay, these and all vendors. OpenStack, Microsoft, Google Cloud and all vendors. Different product owners. Okay, you are having Amazon, Flipkart and all, right? Everyone is called as e-commerce. Likewise in cloud, these and all vendors. Vendors means different product and different owners. Infrastructure as a service is provided by these cloud vendors. Platform as a service is provided from these cloud vendors. What is called platform as a service? What is called infrastructure as a service? What is called software as a service? I will explain. But this is called service models in cloud. Very, very important. Please make note of it. What are the cloud service model? These and all called as a cloud service model. Okay, I will explain one by one. Okay, first I told what? Infrastructure. All the physical hardware taken cloud vendor, server, virtualization, operating system, sorry, networking, storage, everything is managed by vendors. Vendors means AWS or anything. You have to take care of operating system. Okay, in your lab, you are accessing your servers, right? Windows server or anything. Okay, let's take an example as your laptop. Your laptop, RAM, your power supply, your networking, your internet, everything is taken care by you, right? Operating system, everything. But in cloud, networking is taken care by AWS. Server means the physical servers are taken care by AWS. Storage, everything is taken care by AWS. Virtualization is also taken care by AWS. What you have to do means just you log in into the server and use it virtually. Use it. Okay, that is called infra as a service. So up to this infra, cloud computing is taken care. From the operating system, you have to take care means from the operating system, what you guys will do. Operating system installation also cloud vendors will provide. Okay, அதாவது ஒரு ஆப்ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டமே அவங்க இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருவாங்க, பிசிக்கல் ஹார்ட்வேர் ரேம் எல்லாமே அவங்க சப்போர்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருவாங்க, நீங்க அதை ஆக்சஸ் மட்டும் பண்ணா போதும். ஓகேங்களா, புரியுதுங்களா? இப்போ வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு நெட்வொர்க்கிங், ஸ்டோரேஜ், சர்வர், விஷுவலைசேஷன் எல்லாமே அவங்களே கொடுத்துருவாங்க. நீங்க அந்த ஆப்ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம் மட்டும் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணா போதும். இப்போ நான் ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஷீட் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ண பாத்தீங்களா, இதுல இருந்து என் லேப்டாப்ல இருந்தா நான் அதை ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணல, என்கிட்ட லைசன்ஸ் கிடையாது, நான் எதுவுமே இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணல, ஆன்லைன்லயே நான் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? அதே மாதிரி நீங்க ஒரு ஆப்ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டமா ஆன்லைன்லயே ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். புரியுதுங்களா? ப்ரௌசர்ல இருந்தே ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணலாம். இப்போ நான் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணி காட்டுறேன். ஸோ அதுல இருந்து நீங்க தான் பாத்துக்கணும். அந்த ஆப்ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம்ல ஆன்டி வைரஸ் போடுறது, ஆன்டி மால்வேர் போடுறது எல்லாமே உங்களோட கண்ட்ரோல் தான். ஸோ ஒரு சர்டன் இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர் வரைக்கும் கிளவுட் கம்ப்யூட்டிங் வெண்டாஸ் பார்த்துப்பாங்க, அதுக்கு மேல நீங்க தான் பார்க்கணும். ஸோ அதுக்கு பேரு தான் இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர் as a சர்வீஸ். ப்ளீஸ் மேக் நோட் ஆஃப் இட், இன்ஃப்ரா as a சர்வீஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் as a சர்வீஸ். நெட்வொர்க்கிங், ஸ்டோரேஜ், சர்வர், ஆப்ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டமும் அவங்களே பார்த்துப்பாங்க, மிடில்வேர், ரன் டைம். What you guys have to take care means your application. If you develop any app, if you write any coding, okay guys, who and all write any code, anyone develop your application and posted in Google Apps? There is a Play Store. Anyone developed any application?
No, sir.
Okay, so if you want to develop your application, you need some how I can say, some Visual Studio or else any Android Studio to develop the application, right? You
Yes,
need
sir.
those resources, and everything is taken care of by cloud. You just deploy your application. Okay, everything now, operating system is also taken care by cloud. Okay, you just that patching, antivirus, anti-malware installation, everything is taken care. Just deploy, develop your application. You have to write a code and deploy it. Okay, that is called platform as a service. They are providing a platform as a service. Top of that, you deploy it. Okay, the entire thing, application also they will give. For example, Gmail. Okay, Gmail is a what? Mailing application, right? Guys, have you done anything for Gmail development? They are giving us a free software, right? The entire mailing software is given as a free. Okay, so that entire mailing software as a service. Okay, software they are giving as a service. Okay, spreadsheet they are giving as a service. That is called infra service, platform service, and software service. Any doubt in this? I know I'm speaking very fast because I have to cover a lot.
No, sir. No, sir.
No doubt. None is having any doubt.
Sir, can you give another example for software as a service?
Yeah, software as a service. All right. Okay. Anyone using Active Directory? Active Directory. Anyone use Office 365? Anything? Right. Okay. I've showed you, right, spreadsheet and all. That is also software as a service. I showed you a Word document, right? Entire Word document, Microsoft Word.
Yes, sir.
That is a software as a service. Okay, they are giving a software. You are not developing anything. Okay, just you are accessing. If you are developing any application, you are developing the Excel application and deploying it. That is called platform as a service. Don't confuse it. Up to certain level of infra they will be providing. அதாவது என்ன சொல்ல வரேன்னா, அவங்களே ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேரை டெவலப் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீயாவே கொடுத்துருவாங்க. சரிங்களா? கிளவுட்ல நீங்க ஆக்சஸ் மட்டும் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, அது மாதிரி நிறைய சாஃப்ட்வேர்ஸ் இருக்கு. அதுல ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் தான் வந்துட்டு ஜிமெயில். ஓகேங்களா? salesforce.com இதெல்லாம் வந்து காப்பி பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இதெல்லாம் என்னன்னு சொல்லிட்டு போய் படிங்க. சரிங்களா? இந்த பிபிடி நான் ஷேர் பண்றேன். ஸோ இதெல்லாம் என்னன்னு சொல்லிட்டு போய் பாருங்க. ஆஃபீஸ் 365, ஜிமெயில். ஆஃபீஸ் 365ன்றது ஒரு ஆத்தென்டிகேஷன் சர்வீஸ். ஓகேங்களா? ஆக்டிவ் டைரக்டரின்னு சொல்லுவோம், ஏடி. ஓகேங்களா? ஏடினா சிம்பிளா புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். உங்க காலேஜ்ல எல்லாருக்கும் யூசர் நேம் அண்ட் பாஸ்வேர்ட் தராங்களா? நீங்க ஆன்லைன் டெஸ்ட் எழுதுறதுக்கு?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is in college they are giving username and password, right, for writing your online test and all.
Yes, sir.
How that authentication occurs? Okay, that username and password is a authenticator using AD, Active Directory, because your college students only can access that. That user is created only for your college students. Okay, your password and everything will be stored in your server. Okay, so that is called AD. Using AD authentication they are doing. நீங்க ஜிமெயில்ல username password போடுறீங்கல்ல, அது ஒரு AD authentication தான். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ பார்ப்போம் நெக்ஸ்ட். Okay, everyone understand, right, what is meant by this infra, platform, and software? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, don't hesitate. I'll here to explain. Okay, cloud computing benefits. Okay, what is the benefits you are having? So reduced infrastructure of cost. Okay, infrastructure cost reduce பண்ணிருக்கு எப்படின்னா நீங்க எதுவுமே செட்டப் பண்ணல, நீங்க எதுவும் லேப்டாப்லாம் வாங்க தேவையில்ல, ஆன்லைன்ல நீங்க எல்லாமே யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இட் ரெடியூஸ் த இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர் காஸ்ட். Capacity and scalability. Capacity and scalability means high capacity and high scalability servers you can use. Okay, so if you need today 2 GB of RAM, tomorrow you need 8 GB or 16 GB of RAM, you can have the capacity of that and you can use it. Refresh the aging infrastructure. In your in if your laptop is some 10 years old, if you want to buy new, you have to invest it again, right? But in cloud it will automatically update it. Okay, new business opportunity will be supported because everything the technology has been developed, so everything has been developing at faster pace. Now we are using the digital technology, right? There is a no means of information technology, there is a no job of IT. Everyone saying IT job, right? There is a no means of IT in future, only DT means digital technologies. Information technology era has gone, IT is no more. Everyone going to work on DT, digital technology. Everyone is online, connecting online and developing the technology and working, supporting everything on DT. Business continuity is there, increased collaboration is there. All right, so these and all the many benefits provided from cloud computing. Security. So if I say public cloud, everyone will ask me how far your cloud is secure, because the data and everything is maintained by some other vendor. How we can see the cloud is secure? Okay, so everyone will ask this question, right? கேப்பீங்களா இல்லையா? ஏன்னா டேட்டாலாம் வந்து வேற ஒரு இடத்துல ஸ்டோர் ஆகுது, வேற வேற ஒரு வெண்டர். உங்ககிட்ட இருக்க லேப்டாப்னாலே அது செக்யூர் கிடையாது, ஏன்னா இன்டர்நெட்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க. சில டைம் வந்துட்டு எப்படி சொல்றது, நெட்ல இருந்துலாம் சாஃப்ட்வேர் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பீங்க, ஆன்டிவைரஸ் ஆன்டி மால்வேர்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணாம இருப்பீங்க. லேப்டாப்பே செக்யூர் கிடையாது. பட் இது வேற எங்கேயோ இருக்க சர்வர்ஸ், இது எப்படி நம்ம செக்யூரா வச்சுக்கலாம்? இது செக்யூரா இல்லையா? Anyone having this question in cloud, public cloud? Guys, please speak. Then only I will know your understanding.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This question comes in everyone's mind, right? Whether the cloud is secure or not, because data is stored somewhere. You are uploading something on your Google Drive, right? It is in online, right? You are uploading something on your Facebook, right? Everything is online. Like whether data is secure or not, how we can understand? Okay, so data leak they are talking. Okay, that is a product's fault. Okay, that is a Facebook or Twitter's fault. Okay, don't confuse with the cloud. Cloud data is 100% secure. Okay, what are the security measures you can take to make the data? Any security measure? உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச security measure என்ன எடுக்கலாம்னு தெரியுங்களா? எல்லாருமே நிறைய இன்டர்நெட் யூஸ் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க, ஏதாச்சும் படிச்சிருக்கீங்களா? Any security measure? Yeah, password. Okay, fine. Password for login, right? Yeah. Any security measure for okay, you are having your data. Okay, you are having your photo. What security measure you will take to make it secure when storing in cloud? அதாவது உங்க போட்டோ இருக்கு, நீங்க அப்லோட் பண்றீங்க உங்களோட கூகுள் டிரைவ்ல, அதை நான் செக்யூரா வச்சுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கும் போது என்ன செக்யூரிட்டி மெஷர்ஸ் யூ கேன் டேக்? வாட் செக்யூரிட்டி மெஷர்ஸ்? எனிதிங்? எனி ஐடியா?
Sir, not to give important information like credit card information or something like that.
All right. Not to give important information. Anyone heard about encryption and decryption?
Yes, sir.
What is encryption and decryption?
Encrypt means it has been secretly coded and it cannot be opened by anyone. Something like that.
Okay. Decryption means?
The opposite of it.
Opposite means?
Okay. Decryption means trying to recover everything back.
Okay.
Sir, converting encrypted data into its original form, I guess, sir.
Yeah, decrypting means encrypt. What you are saying? Reverting back to original form.
Yes, sir. Converting the encrypted data into its original form, I guess.
All right. Yeah, you're not guessing. You're correct. Okay. So what is meant by encryption means you are having some data. Okay. If I say some word, WhatsApp is end-to-end encrypted. Have you seen this message? Everyone is using WhatsApp, right? I hope everyone is using. WhatsApp is end-to-end encrypted. Have you seen that? பாத்துறீங்களா? end-to-end encrypted போட்டிருக்கோம். கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? What is mean by that?
The chats between peoples has been encrypted and it cannot be seen by others. Sir.
சந்தோஷமா இருக்குங்களா? இந்த சாட்டையும் பார்க்க முடியாதா? கன்ஃபார்மா?
But WhatsApp can see the messages. Sir.
I'm telling WhatsApp also cannot able to see the message.
அப்படிலாம் பண்ண முடியாது. I think you can view the message.
Yeah, who? WhatsApp.
Yes,
WhatsApp.
sir.
No, they are எதுக்கு end to end encrypted சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா வாட்ஸ்அப்பையும் மெசேஜ் பார்க்க முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஏன்னா end to endனா அந்த கீ ஜெனரேட் ஆகும். ஓகேங்களா? என்கிரிப்ஷன் கீ கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? இந்த RSA, DSA, SSH key, these and all algorithms. Have you studied this RSA, DSA,
No,
and all?
No, sir.
SSH. Okay. So these and all keys. Okay. These keys will be generated at user end. Okay. If you are chatting with your friend, உங்ககிட்ட இருந்தா அந்த கீயை ஜென்ரேட் ஆகும். ஓகேங்களா? அப்போனா அந்த கீ உங்களுக்கு மட்டும் தான் அவைலபிளா இருக்கும். அதாவது உங்க டிவைஸ்ல மட்டும் தான் அவைலபிளா இருக்கும்னு சொல்றாங்க வாட்ஸ்அப். ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் end to end encrypted. ஸோ அந்த கீயை வச்சு தான் டீக்ரிப்ட் ஆகும், ரிசீவ் இருக்கும். Got it? So your device, when you hack that encrypted key, okay, அந்த கீ இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, அந்த கீ வந்து ஹேக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா your data is leaked. Okay. Without hacking that, WhatsApp is also not able to see. That is called end to end encrypted. Okay. Please verify in internet. Okay. So what is meant by encryption means we will be using some algorithms. Let's take an example as AES 256. This one is a key name. நீங்க சாவி யூஸ் பண்றீங்களா பைக்குக்கு, அது மாதிரி ஒரு கீ AES 256A. ஓகே, திஸ் a key name. இது எப்படி சிம்பிளா புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம்னா, ஒரு பேப்பர் எடுத்துக்கோங்க சரிங்களா, கையில அதை வந்து 256 வாட்டி மடிங்க. Fold it. Okay, take one paper, fold it 256 times. Okay, and tear it 256 times. Got it? Take one paper, fold it 256 times, which means you have to fold up to 256 times in some other way, and tear the paper 256 times. You will be getting some small paper துகள்கள்லாம் இருக்கும் பாத்தீங்களா? So your data will be converted like that. That is called encryption technology. You got it? Take one paper, fold it. I'm just giving an example. Okay, using that algorithm, the data is converted or encrypted. Your hello message, let's take an example. You are sending some hello message. When you are encrypting this message using this key, it will be converted into that language, some other language, like a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 something. Okay, so என்னோட மெசேஜ் நான் எழுதுறதே பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு என்கிரிப்டட் டெக்னாலஜி மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும் சரிங்களா. ஸோ சொல்றேன், ஒரு ஹலோ மெசேஜ் ஹவு இட் இஸ் கன்வெர்டட் இன்டு சம் அதர். ஓகேங்களா? ஒரு பேப்பர் வந்துட்டு எப்படி ஒரு துகள்களா மாத்துறீங்களோ அதே மாதிரி உங்களோட இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் அதுல ஒரு துகள்களா மாற்றப்படும். ஓகேங்களா? when you are decrypting, again what you have to do means you have to stick everything 256 times. You are tagged on paper, right? You have to stick everything, then only you can get the data. That is called decryption. Got it? For that, what you need a key. That is called encryption key. Please make note of it. Encryption key, and decryption. These are all some of the encryption decryption technology I'm teaching. Okay, antivirus is there, anti-malware is there, cyber security is there, ethical hacking is there. Many technologies are used for security. Okay, it is one of the encryption technology used for data. Okay, any doubt in this?
No, no sir, no sir.
No doubt. What is Amazon? Today we are talking about Amazon, right? We are talking about Amazon is one of the vendors. When they are start, they are online retailer. Everyone knows Amazon is an retailer, right? Amazon e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce we are seeing, but Amazon web. Okay. So in 2006 they have started. What they have done means they have the unused storage. Okay, let's take an example. You are having your laptop, have some 20 GB of storage. Okay, you are only using 10 GB. You are not using another 10 GB. You are sharing that 10 GB with your friend. Okay, virtually you are using some technology. அதாவது நீங்க 20 GB storage வச்சிருக்கீங்க, நீங்க வந்து 10 GB தான் யூஸ் பண்றீங்க, another 10 GB you are having, but you are sharing the 10 GB of storage with your friend and receiving some money. Like that, they have started in 2006, converted the unused storage infrastructure. Okay, which and all the unused storage infrastructure they are not using, they have given as a service called S3 in 2006. Now, as of 2017, 18, 19, 20, okay, they are highly competitive cloud vendor in the market. Okay, see their business within the 10 or 14 years, they are having some 70 plus service, not 70, now it is 170 services they are having, okay, across 190 countries today, as of today. Okay, everything is available. Sorry guys. One second. Next, services. Okay, what are the services available in Amazon? So services means in cloud, different services I told, right? So these and all the some of the examples, like compute. Compute means we have the virtual servers that is called EC2. In Amazon, there it is called EC2. In Google Cloud, it is called VM. The name only differ. Okay, இப்போ வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ virtual servers ஒரு லேப்டாப்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, virtual ஒரு லேப்டாப் வச்சிருக்கீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. The namesலாம் இருக்கும். Containers. Anyone studied about Docker container or anything? இதெல்லாம் செப்பரேட்டா படிக்கணும். ஓகேங்களா, இந்த டெக்னாலஜிலாம் சொல்றேன். இவ்வளவு சர்வீசஸ் வந்து அவைலபிளா இருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா, திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் ஸ்டோரேஜ். S3 இஸ் கால்ட் ஸ்டோரேஜ். இந்த ஸ்டோரேஜ் வந்து எப்படி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றாங்கன்னா, இது கூகுள் டிரைவ் மாதிரி. ஓகேங்களா, கூகுள் டிரைவ் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்கல்ல அது மாதிரி. இது வந்து அது 20 GB தான் உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீயா தருவாங்க. இது வந்து அன்லிமிட்டட், நீங்க எவ்வளவு வேணா ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிக்கலாம் இந்த ஸ்டோரேஜ்ல. Okay, got it? S3. S3 is called Google Drive. Database we are having. Sorry guys, actually my laptop got, sorry, my desktop got stuck. Okay, give me 2 minutes. Hello. Sorry guys, wait for 1 minute. Yeah. Hi. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sorry. இப்போ வந்துட்டு next what we are going to see means we are going to see the certifications available. Certifications means you are doing your college degree, right? Like that you can do your college degree. College degree means certifications. Okay. Certifications means you will be certified from Amazon. Amazon will certify as a cloud architect and cloud developer. Like that they will certify you, but you have to write an exam. How you are writing a semester exam, for that you have to write an exam. Like the certificates are available. Foundational courses there. This is like school courses. Okay, because school students also studying this Amazon. Amazon means cloud computing. Associate is college level. and professional is PG level. PG means your higher studies. Okay, so you have to do all the certifications available here if you want to excel in cloud. Okay, certificate for developing your knowledge. Okay, it is not a mandatory one, it is for developing your knowledge. Specialty certifications are also available. So special certifications means if someone want to do some networking certification, you can do for networking. Someone want to do big data, you can do big data. If you want to do security, you can do security. Got it? These and all the certifications available in cloud. Okay, so let me show
Sir,
you the
then how to get access to that certificate, sir?
yes, and that one I am going to access it. Okay, get it through that. So now I'm going to access the Google Cloud. Okay, so if anyone having your credit card or debit card, okay, put as AWS Amazon Web Services. Okay, go to the account AWS Management Console. Then you can create your account from here. Sorry. Just put as AWS account creation. Okay, so you can see the steps. Okay, how to create account. இது ஒரு ஃபேஸ்புக் அக்கௌண்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ற மாதிரி தான். ஓகேங்களா, ஆல்ரெடி நான் அக்கௌண்ட் வச்சிருக்கேன், ஸோ அதனால எனக்கு லாகின் ஆகுது. ஸோ நீங்க அக்கௌண்ட் இல்லைன்னா நீங்க வந்துட்டு அமேசான் அக்கௌண்ட் கிரியேஷன் போடுங்க, உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு அமேசான் அக்கௌண்ட் இட் வில் பி கெட் கிரியேட்டட். ஓகேங்களா, கிரியேட் a new AWS account. Got it? So you have to give your email ID, password and details. Okay, for 1 year it is free, but all the services is not free. Okay, few services are free for 1 year. Got it? அதாவது ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு கொஞ்சம் ரிசோர்ஸ் ஃப்ரீயா யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அமேசான்ல இருந்து. இப்போ நீங்க கூகுள் டிரைவ் யூஸ் பண்ற யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், பட் எல்லா ரிசோர்ஸும் ஃப்ரீ கிடையாது. ஓகேங்களா, யூ ஹேவ் டு கிவ் யுவர் கிரெடிட் கார்டு டெபிட் கார்டு டீடைல்ஸ் வெல் தென் யூ கேன் ஆக்சஸ். ஓகேங்களா, நீங்க எப்படி ஒரு ஃபேஸ்புக் அக்கௌண்ட் கிரியேட் பண்றீங்களோ அது மாதிரி அமேசான் அக்கௌண்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இதுல இருந்து நீங்க கிளவுட் ரிசோர்ஸ் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ எவ்ரிஒன் சீயிங் திஸ் கன்சோல், ரைட்? திஸ் பேஜ், this is called Google Cloud. Okay, this is called Google Cloud Console. So I already logged in using Google Cloud. Okay, so here you can see the services available like compute, storage, seeing right, Google Cloud Console. This is called Google Cloud database. Okay, so you can create. Okay, all right. So what I will do means I will create one server for you. Okay, I'm going to create one server. So I'm giving one demo to you. Any doubt before going to demo?
No, sir, you can carry on.
Yes. So here you can see the regions, right? You can see, you can study this. Montreal, Sao Paulo, South Carolina, North Virginia, Oregon, these and all data centers. See how many data centers are there. Tokyo, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Netherlands. In every region, they are having the data center. Servers are, physical servers are present. Got it? இதெல்லாம் ஒரு data center சொல்லுவாங்க. இந்த இடத்துல அந்த physical servers எல்லாம் வச்சிருப்பாங்க. சரிங்களா? See in how many countries they are having. It is a Google Cloud, typical Google Cloud example. So I'm going to create one server. I'll create on Windows server. Okay, So it just got created. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Server is getting created. I will connect the server and I can show you. ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் இருந்தா கேளுங்க ஓகேங்களா ஸோ ஐ கேன் ஆன்சர் தமிழ்ல கூட கேட்கலாம் நோ ப்ராப்ளம் நானும் தமிழ் தான் guys any doubt feel free to ask okay டெக்னாலஜி பத்தி எதனா டவுட் இருந்தாலும் கேளுங்க உங்க ஜாப் எப்படி படிக்கணும் எப்படி வாங்கணும் அதை பத்தி எதனா டவுட் இருந்தாலும் கேளுங்க பிளேஸ்மெண்ட்ஸ் பத்தி எதனா டவுட் இருந்தாலும் கேளுங்க சரிங்களா ஐ அம் ரெடி டு ஹெல்ப்
சார் அப்ப நீங்க எப்படி சார் ஏடபிள்யூஎஸ்ல பிளேஸ் ஆனீங்க
நல்ல டவுட் no more personal question but I will tell okay so when after completing I am graduated in engineering okay that also in triple department not in computer science I studied for 1.5 years அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் ஆஃபீஸ் போயிட்டு பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணிட்டு I'm selected in campus then I got the opportunity to learn in my I'm in R&I division okay research and innovation team in TCS part of research team in TCS அதாவது ரிசர்ச் டீம்ல இருக்கனால எனக்கு வந்துட்டு படிக்கிறதுக்கு அவங்க அலோவ் பண்ணாங்க ஸோ என்னோட செல்ஃப் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்னால நான் படிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சேன் இந்த டெக்னாலஜிஸ் ஓகேங்களா தென் யா உங்களோட இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் தாங்க எந்த டெக்னாலஜியில் உங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கோ அந்த டெக்னாலஜி எடுத்து படிச்சீங்கன்னா நீங்க வித்தின் ஒரு 6 months இல்லை 1 yearல கற்றுக்கலாம்
தேங்க்யூ சார்
ஆஃப்டர் தட் நிறைய சர்டிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் முடிச்சேன் சரிங்களா இதுல ஒரு 6-7 சர்டிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் கிட்ட முடிச்சிருக்கேன் எல்லா கிளவுட்ஸ்லையும் சரிங்களா
Sir, what would I expect in a BSc degree, sir?
What you're expecting in?
Since you said you're from an engineering department.
No, nothing like that. Okay. Just I am said about myself. Okay, it is not. No, there's no difference between BSc or engineering. It means in that I'm not a computer science student. So computer science students have their opening in cloud computing and all the technology they can study because already for past 3 years you guys are studying on computer science, right? When I started, I doesn't know anything about computer science. I said, okay. So for BSc students, there are a lot of opening in my company. Many companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL. I will share. Okay, once any openings are given by the companies, you can apply on the company's website. Okay, if you put it on internet, you can get a lot of openings in the companies. Okay, so that was the thing. Okay, so it has to be ready for some 10 minutes. Let me wait for this. So TCS NQT is there. Anyone knows about TCS NQT? NQT.
Yes, sir. It's an online exam. It's a TCS exam, sir.
Yeah. So prepare for that. Okay. How you can prepare means only aptitude they are asking. Aptitude plus programming is there. Only aptitude they are asking. Okay. Like this, you can prepare yourself to get your placement in companies. Okay. Infosys also having their exam. I hope.
Sir, Infosys actually has this hack with Infi only for engineering students.
Yes, no, they are having arts also. I have taken the for Infosys. My friends are there. Yeah, okay. Everyone TCS also having the arts. That is not for arts. BSc. Okay, there is a no difference. Try to do some masters. Okay, or else get a placement. So I'm logging into that server which I created. So you can see what I've done means I've taken the password from this and I've generated the password and I'm just logging. Now see the magic. I'm logging into the server, another server, which is located somewhere else in USA. This is not my laptop. This is the server which I logged in. Within a minute, I have created a server. It take only hardly some 2 or 3 minutes for to create, another some 5 minutes for to create it. See how fast it is. Got it? This was the server which is created. But you have to do the antivirus, anti-malware, and everything. These and those services. Okay. Got the point, right? What I'm trying to say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I have created the server. This server is now available. Yes, guys, I have done with my interview. Yes, it is sharp. I'm also on time. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, or else we can wind up the session.
Sir, if we haven't get placed in a campus interview, what would be the next step, sir?
There are many
In your
steps.
preference.
Yeah, there are many steps. Okay, I already guided many students. Campus interview is one of the way. Okay, it is not only one way. So crack the TCS NQT. Okay, go for the all the
Okay.
interview. Prepare yourself. Okay, many YouTube videos are available. Okay, many Udemy courses. They are giving us a free. Okay, LinkedIn. Anyone created the account in LinkedIn?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone is having the LinkedIn, right? So it is a professional account for learning. Okay, so from there also you can get your learning. Learning.
Okay.
So it is not like that only you can get a learning from online. So you are have because everything is digitalized, right? So many online platforms like Unacademy and everything are providing the guidance and notes and everything. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can feel free to reach me. I don't have.
How can we contact? So
Yes,
I
sir.
will give.
email
I
ID.
can. Yeah, I can give my email ID or LinkedIn profile. From there, you can contact me. So please create a account in LinkedIn. Okay, this LinkedIn account is very important because from here only you can get a job opportunities. Because
Sir,
it is a
what about Naukri, sir?
Naukri is a job search website. It is not a LinkedIn is a all company CEO and everyone will be there. Technological guys will be there. Technical will be there. All the HRs and everyone will be posting about job. From there you can get anything. Okay. From there you can learn also. There is a LinkedIn learning is there. எல்லாரும் அக்கௌண்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணுங்க. எல்லாருமே Facebook அக்கௌண்ட் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்லாம் வச்சிருப்பீங்க. அதெல்லாம் யூஸ்லெஸ். அதெல்லாம் தேவையில்லாத அக்கௌண்ட். அதெல்லாம் டெலிட் பண்ணிடுங்க. சரிங்களா? 1 இயருக்கு தயவு செஞ்சு LinkedInல கொஞ்சம் ஆக்டிவா இருந்து டெக்னாலஜி இதெல்லாம் படிச்சுக்காது.
சார் இப்போ ஏதாவது இன்டர்ன்ஷிப்ஸ் ஏதாவது அவைலபிலிட்டி இருக்கா சார்?
எல்லாமே நீங்க லிங்க்டின்லயே சர்ச் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேங்களா? அதுலயே வந்துட்டு இன்டர்ன்ஷிப் ஆஃபர்ஸையும் போஸ்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. இல்லைன்னா கம்பெனி வெப்சைட்ல செக் பண்ணலாம். இஃப் எனிதிங் ஐ வில் போஸ்ட் இன் மை ப்ரொஃபைல். ஓகே, இஃப் எனி ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் I have how I can say any job openings, I will post everything on my LinkedIn profile. Okay. Please create a LinkedIn account and get updated. I have pasted my LinkedIn profile is also in chat. Okay, from there you can contact me if you have any doubts in technology. Okay, if you have any technical question, you can post me. Okay, thanks. Students. Friends.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. It was a really wonderful event and the webinar, sir.
Yes, all right, Satish, Mr. President.
Thank you, sir. So, guys, you can find your feedback link for your e-certificate in the comment section of both YouTube and Gmail link. Finally, I call upon Ganapati Raju to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. I could thank our webinar speaker, Mr. Muthu Kumar, for visiting and enlightening us with their knowledge. Today's webinar was full of knowledge and interesting things. It gave deep insights into the topic. Once again, I could thank you, sir. And I could also thank our principal, Mr. Santosh Babu, sir, and head of department, Ms. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, for giving permission to organize this webinar session. I want to thank the students forum members who really worked for this webinar successful. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
And thank you, sir, for a nice section.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, bye bye everyone. Okay, we'll catch up later. If you have any
Thank
doubts,
you, sir.
thanks. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Arun, you can cut off the streaming. Thank you.